Namaste friends, Bridge Course, Standard 10th, Subject English, Day 13, 13th July 2021, Competency number 8, what we have learnt yesterday, read carefully to understand new concept or idea. Activity number 3, learning activity, read the template and write answers of the questions carefully. The template is given: shortbread biscuits, ingredients 125 gram per 4 ounces butter, 55 gram per 2 ounces custard sugar, 180 gram per 6 ounces plain flour. Now friends, OZ is an abbreviation of ounce, which is the unit. Method number 1, heat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit or gas 5. Number 2, beat the butter and the sugar together until smooth. Number 3, stir in the flour to get a smooth paste. Turn on to a work surface and gently roll out until the paste is 1 centimeter per half inch thick. Number 4, cut into rounds on or fingers and place onto a baking tray. Sprinkle with icing sugar and chill in the fridge for 20 minutes. And 5, bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until pale golden brown. Set aside to cool on a wire rack. Now the question: what is the temperature needed to bake the biscuits? So the needed temperature to bake the biscuits is 190 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit. For how long should the biscuits be chilled in the fridge? So for 20 minutes. What are the essential ingredients to bake shortbread biscuits? So they are butter, custard sugar and plain flour. So in this way we should need to comprehend the points given in the content, maybe advertisement or a template, informative template. So you write down these answers of the questions after reading the template. There is one solved activity. The short text is given, the questions are asked. So read the text, find the answers of the questions and ensure that your answers with the answers given in the template in the activity. Then extension activity, it's a short news. Weather update: cloudy, intermittent. The national capital Delhi is likely to witness pre-monsoon showers on Friday. The India Meteorological Department IMD said, as per the IMD forecasts, the conditions further advance of monsoons over Delhi may not happen at least till the next 5 days. Delhi would start receiving the monsoon rains only by June 29 after a delayed onset over Kerala. Now the questions asked here: what did IMD say? IMD said that the national capital Delhi is likely to witness pre-monsoon showers on Friday. Second question: when will Delhi start receiving the monsoon rains? Delhi will start receiving the monsoon rains only by June 29. And the last question: as per IMD forecasts, what will not happen till next 5 days? As per IMD forecasts, the conditions further advance of monsoons over Delhi may not happen at least till the next 5 days. So, in this way, we need to understand, comprehend the given text, whatever it is, maybe a news or informative text or a template or advertisement, whatever it is, we need to understand what we read, and accordingly we need to scan the information, skim the content. So this was extension activity. There are many more such activities given in standard 9th My English course book. So you should go through the activities and practice more. Thank you.